Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Jay Bea Lennux, and we are making some stir fry. Now we have beef and shrimp stir fry being made right now, and right now we got some shrimp going on. We already have the rice being made, and we have the beef. Yes. So the seasonings that we are using is Old Bay seasoning, which is good for seafood, poultry, salads, and meats. So it is actually a lot healthier than using a traditional anything, pretty much. It does not have a lot of sodium in it, which I do enjoy that. However, we did use some seasoned salt for this meat. For the beef, I guess you can say. This is more of, this is a beef chuck. I want to say that, yeah, if I do recall, I can't remember. This is a portioned frozen meat that I had already set aside. When I get my meat, I normally buy in bulk, and then I go ahead and portion it out into freezer bags, and then I just go ahead and store it away. So with this, it does smell delicious, but I don't eat it. So this will be for my kid. Now, the shrimp, on the other hand, I know he's gonna want some of that too, but the shrimp, I'll eat the shrimp. Now, I did throw some Old Bay inside of the shrimp. I am throwing some garlic in here so I can have some seasoning in that. We are going to be using some sugar stir fry, which is some sugar snaps. It already has some onion, carrots, and mushrooms. This is a pre-frozen bag. This is one that you can get at HEB. You can use the whole bag, you just throw it on in there. Or you can get fresh, which I have all those ingredients except for the sugar snaps. So I'm using the frozen stuff. Now, I don't mind buying frozen stuff to be able to add this in here. I do not, it don't matter either. It does not matter either way to me. As long as it's healthy, I'd rather have something frozen or refrigerated fresh rather than eating from like a can. A can is like a very, very, very last resort type of thing for me. But this meat smells really good. I just won't eat it. So the shrimp though was actually peeled, deveined, and it was very raw, very fresh from the seafood department. And it's now nice and pink. It is ready to be added. It is ready. So what I did was just add some water to it. Well, I added water to the pan, and then I just added the shrimp in just so the way I can get it to boil. These shrimp came off as great. They were actually prawns. Now they're actually shrinking, so let me go ahead and dump some of this water. We can leave a little something. Sorry, my shirt is showing a bit for my belly. Okay, now we can turn that meat off. Meat is done. Meat's quick. So now for the stir fry. Okay, so of course the meat you want to add first. And we're going to add in all the vegetables. Dang, this really does make me look a lot whiter than what I am now, or a lot more everything, but whatever. So you want the flame on high, so on and so forth. And you can even season the vegetables too. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more Old Bay to these. Now these vegetables are frozen. Yes, I said vegetables. It would be a whole lot easier, a whole lot nicer, and way different taste if they were fresh. But I didn't do that today. That is not going to be the consistency of this video. So we are doing this fast, quick, and easy. The only thing fresh in this video is the shrimp. And meat. No. So, yeah. Comment below if you would use the snow pea stir fry bought from the store for this or not. It actually really doesn't matter as long as you get your vegetables in, and it really doesn't make a difference. It's actually very healthy either way. Now you can get this, and you can get the noodles, and you can have it that way, or you can have it over rice. Me, I'm going to have it over rice. So this is what it looks like already right now. This is in the shrimp, right? So once it gets all set to cooking, it's all great. Now, I have no problem adding that meat straight into here too, and then just making sure that I don't get the meat in my plate. So that's just me thing. But we're not going to do that in the video. So it looks scrumptious. Of course it is, you know. I mean, I don't make anything that is not edible. I won't make anything that's going to kill you. I will let you know if there is an allergy. If you're allergic to seafood, don't make it. This is something that does contain seafood, so don't eat it if you're going to swallow up and your airway is going to close. This is seafood. So, let's see. Well, let's stir fry. So let's switch that. Put it right there. And we're going to turn that on high over there. And that could cook a lot better. And you know how, like, when you go to like a Mongolian stir fry place, or you go to, you know, like one of those wok kitchens and stuff, you can actually choose your meats, and then you can actually mix it all in, and then you get the choice of your noodles and stuff like that. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and remix this today, and I'm gonna do it on camera either way. So I'm going to go ahead and just put the meat in here anyway. It's just me and my kid eating here right now. I'm gonna show you how good this is gonna look either way. Now, like I said, anytime I've done this before, I just don't eat the meat. Now, for the cooking process, I cook the meat separate and I cook the shrimp separate. Is it still gonna taste good? Oh yeah, it is. It is. It is. Yeah, it is. Some people are like, ew, it's grass. No, don't knock it till you try it. I'm gonna show you how to hook it up. That's what I'm gonna show you. Now, some people who really like meat and some people who really like shrimp, they're gonna be like, oh my gosh, oh wow, oh wow. Well, hey, I'm gonna get you turned on to something. Let me show you. Let me just show you real quick. Let's see. Now, my kid is not a fan of a lot of things, right? But whatever I cook, that boy will eat. He does love everything I cook. anyone who's come to my house, any guests I've ever cooked for, everybody who I know eats my food. And I do get compliments. And I've even been told, like, why don't I open a restaurant? Well, okay. In the future, I guess. Hey, how about this? How about I make a channel and you guys go ahead and try my recipe. And you guys see how you like it. You guys give me some feedback and you tell me how much you enjoy it in your kitchen. Now, this is what I had used. I used some of this. I used some garlic. Ooh, that is hot. That's really hot by the burner. I used a little bit of this. You know, you can't go wrong with that, especially when you're flavoring sweet. I used some lemon pepper, of course. And that was it. Now, as you can see, now beyond the obvious, whoever goes and eats stir fry, more than likely you're gonna eat some, you're gonna go ahead and use some Kikkoman. Now, I haven't tried this yet, so I don't know if it's going, sometimes I'll add some like red cooking wine to my food as I'm preparing meat. And I brought it out just in case, but I'm not going to, because I'm not entertaining like an adult guest or anything like that. So it's not for them. So I just want you to know, this is what I would bring out. I would use like a red cooking wine if I'm entertaining like more of an adult party. But this is for my kid, and no, he's not gonna get that fancy kind of a meal. No. So this is how it looks. There's the shrimp, there's the meat, there's all the vegetables, and then we have our rice. Voila, bon appetit. And there you go. So we have our sugar snap stir fry. And you can make it either with your noodles on the side or you can make it with rice. Tonight we're having it with rice. I hope you enjoy it. And again, I'm Jay Bea Lennux. I appreciate you watching my channel. Thank you for watching so much, and I appreciate you sharing my channel. Turn on those notifications if you haven't done so already. You are so awesome. And again, this is a very rewarding channel. When you grow, I grow, we grow together. You're just so awesome. And thanks again.